और ये लॉकडाउन तो परेशान करके रख दिया है, बहुत बोर हो रहा है। कब खत्म होगा ये लॉकडाउन? मैं कब जाऊंगी मुझे खेलने गार्डन में?
क्या हुआ ऋतुआ, तुम इतनी सैड क्यों हो?
ये देखो ना कितना बुरा हाल, कुछ नहीं खेलना।
अब तो लॉकडाउन भी लग गया फिर से, अब तो बाहर भी नहीं जाते आता। पर हम इंडोर तो खेल सकते हैं ना, तो क्यों ना हम इंडोर ही खेलें?
ओके दीदी।
So friends, today we are going to show you 3 very easy and full of fun games जो आप अपने siblings, parents या grandparents के साथ आराम से खेल सकते हो। So let's get started. So friends, our first game is straw and pulse game. So the materials required to play this game are straw, pulses, and one dish. To play this game, you need to do is hold the straw in your mouth and pick up one of the pulse. Pick up one of the pulse and keep it in the dish. Yes. But make sure that the pulse size is bigger than the straw. Otherwise, there are chances of swallowing the pulse. You can use pulses like rajma or any other dal that is bigger than the hole of your straw. So now let's start playing the game. Let's take our straw. We have also set a 1 minute timer here. We will start the timer. Okay. Start. I won. Yes. Oh, only 5 left of our class. So I won this game and I got 1 point.
And 0 point.
So let's start with the next game. I hope you like this game also. Let's get. So friends, let's start with our second game. For a second game, you will need chips. If you don't have chips, you can use
Biscuit.
Yes, biscuit or anything that is round. Okay. So let's start. What we need to do is take one chip or biscuit, keep it on your forehead here, and you need to eat. You need to bring it down here till your mouth. So let's start. It's very
Difficult.
and interesting game. So 1, 2, 3, start.
I want to eat.
मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, पर आपसे हो गया तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कि आपसे हुआ ये. So friend, the next game will be continued in next video. So keep watching Swarutva's Corner and the next video will be uploaded on Sunday.
और हाँ, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना.